Huh? Work for the hotel. So they're right beside the beach. On my go over there. Go over the house. So let's go. I look past
We're looking around to buy things for the youngest Joshua. And like this pants. Oh my god, it's so cute.
Sorry. Me like it, but you like it?
Very
You see
much.
this? Jacket with them.
Try on shoes with bag and foot. Jamaican style.
When you go what do you step your face?
Come. Ready. Let's go. Got a lot of people waiting.
You guys are confusing me.
So where's the
Thank you. Yeah, excuse me, I didn't get any straw. We're not seeing it. Thank you.
I think I just the tire me and see it.
What's that bird poop right there?
You guys are
This is what I'm swimming in. So this is what I'm on the beach.
Oh my god! What is that?
Oh, look at that. Juicy. That really is juicy.
Has anybody seen a orange colored USB cable?
USB cable.
Trey lost it.
you brought it here?
He had it in his pocket when we got out of the car, and that was the last place I saw it. But now he has no clue where it is.
Oh my goodness. We've reached a part of our journey where we're going to be walking. Not my favorite part, but it's an experience. And then got much of those. We're going into this cave. And there's a bird, a guide bird around the back. We're afraid. Echo! There's this echo! Oh, there's a bat! What am I doing under here? Yes, I just thought, okay, I can't afraid to. Oh, what is it for the ground? No, it's a delegate for me, let's move. Wait, she must soup down. Jesus. Mister, this life they make for me. I'm afraid that everything will move.
Oh, water! Oh!
Oh! No, it sounds like I did the thing. I'll be like, come on. Like if I try to chop it underneath here.
It just remind me of in a Game of Thrones that
Miko enjoying the journey.
put on in track shoes run down there. Just the morning she picked it.
Go!
Oh my god!
Get set. Go. You fell, but you survived. How was the fall?
But bumps me up on my hand, take the pressure.
They were sitting there with the fishes. Can you see the fishes?
Yeah, I got that night.
This is the time night.
I told you.
I recorded this during Easter break, and if I had known the heat was only going to get worse, I would have gone in the water more or not. Any which days, this was a 2 days 2 nights trip with my cousins, and they couldn't have picked a better time because I was ocean deep in assignments, gasping for air, desperate for an escape. And I know many people will say don't run from your problems, but I am not people, I am an alien. And so I ran. I took off like Chucky was on my tail with a knife. And that is how I ended up at a place where I love and hate the most, that being anywhere near water. Water is forever my enemy, but I've got to admit, for like visual purposes, pictures, etc., it's nice to look at, you know what I mean? Anyways, back to what I was saying about Easter break. It was there in the school's calendar and all, but the teachers really said, psych, we're behind, so that's not happening, which is why I plotted my great escape. And if you as a day think that was irresponsible of me, I would like you to know that I am 2 weeks out of school on summer break and still recovering from the trauma, and I'm going to do summer classes, so I'll once again become emotionally wrecked once more. Thank you very much. So don't judge me, instead pity me. I need pity. In fact, I love pity, and I never understand why most persons don't want pity from persons, because when people pity me, it makes me realize that what I'm going through is not normal. It's hard, it's sad, and that helps me to realize this is what I'm gonna get through. And because I'm holding up just fine now, it's gonna be so much easier in the long run. Moral of the story is run from your problems, beg for pity, and go back to reality. Wow, that was so motivational, so inspirational. I am getting better at this voiceover thing. Yeah, enjoy the pretty scenery days, enjoy the pretty sceneries, because I don't talk much in this vlog. Just enjoy the pretty series. What am I saying? That makes no sense. Cut. Wait. I forgot to say, because I was so focused on capturing the moments I thought were beautiful, I ended up talking a whole lot less than usual. My mind was just blank, like my exam papers. No thoughts, no opinions, brain shut off. I think the only thing I reminded myself to do on this trip was pray. And that's because, you know, I was kind of a little anxious, you know what I mean? And because being with my family is so relaxing, I wasn't anxious about anything. It's lies, I just said I was anxious. Okay, maybe I was a little bit anxious. Going outside and staying outside for the whole day, you know, that's enough to make anyone anxious. Near the water, nonetheless. But this trip made me realize that all the worries I had before seemed less urgent. Like they were literally trying to kill me with stress hours ago. So why are they less important today? It was just all in my head. That's why I was creating my own problems as usual. Why was I doing that? This trip basically reminded me to slow down, take my time like them ugly snails, and go at my own pace. Because the only time I will run out of time is when I'm dead, and the things I was stressing over could not care less. So I should care about me, I should care about my family, I should care about my happiness in the now. Because if I can't control it, why worry about it? The same goes for you too. If you can relate to anything I'm saying, even if it sounds stupid, leave a like or a comment or subscribe, or you can do all three. but you gotta at least do one, because what's it costing you? Do I have to threaten you? Because I will. Don't play with me. And so, in the name of peace and harmony and love and joy and all the things good, because that's what I am, good and sweet and kind and loving and just, let's move on to the rest of the vlog, y'all. For every journey, you can't see, but it's Harry Potter. It's my new addiction to listen to Jim Dale audiobooks of Harry Potter. He sounds really good. His voice is so interesting.
Waking up the tail.
Perfect exercise.
Oh, wrong side.
How is the water? Is it salty? Say hi, Joshua.
Hello, Olivia.
Say hi, Shaday. What you wanted to know?
Say. Come out now.
No, you cannot come out. Stay in there until we're leaving.
No. Please.
Please?
Yes.
No.
Yes.
It's a drone. See if you can show it. You see me tell us you're like an ill lady. Hey.
I'm gonna take the crab. Ow.
Good job.
And now we're going out to get dinner. In the middle of the night, middle of the night.
Very smooth about this river here. No one really swimming here.
No, why would they? We stopped to look at Pum Pum Rock. We have arrived. There it is. Crossing flat.